guys, Sharon here. So today I'm going to show you how to backstitch. So I'm going to show you how to backstitch on 2 layers of cotton fabric. And the first thing you will need to do is have your machine ready, so threaded and everything. And what you're going to do is I'm going to guide myself on a 1 centimeter seam allowance. So on your machine, just guide yourself with the 10 there. So drop your foot and stitch about 3 stitches forward, and then use your reverse button to go back to where you started, and then continue straight. And then use your reverse button again to go 3 stitches back, and then you can lift up your foot and remove your fabric and use some nippers to cut or the thread cutter on the machine. And that's how you do a backstitch pattern. Hey guys, Sharon and Veronica here. So now that you have your machine set up and threaded, we're going to show you how to do a reverse stitch on 2 layers of cotton fabric, which is what you're going to do is you're going to put your machine on the stitch length 2.5 and on a straight stitch.
Now some machines are different. Your stitch length might be at the bottom of the button of your stitch selector, or the top or next to it. So on our case, our machine stitch length is here and our straight stitch is an A stitch. But on other machines it might differ, it might be different.
Alright, so what you do is put down the foot of the machine and stitch forward about 3 stitches, and then reverse stitch to where you started and continue going straight.
And you can see our reverse button is sitting at the bottom here.
Alright, and when you get towards the end, you're gonna reverse stitch about 3 stitches back, and then lift up your foot, pull your thread and nip right there, and put your thread towards the back and get ready to sew another one. Alright, this is how it looks. That's it.